We thought we were about to get kicked out of Walmart. Instead, something completely unexpected happened.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play.
Back in 2020, when we had our 76-foot long setup with our fifth wheel, we were traveling from South Carolina to Alabama and decided to stop at a Walmart in Bremen, Georgia for the night. It was a great place to break up a long, hot travel day. Before arriving, I checked allstays.com and called the store to make sure overnight parking was allowed. They told us exactly where they wanted us to park. Then things went sideways. When I opened the RV door, I found broken glass everywhere. The glass shade above our dining table had fallen and exploded all over the kitchen, dining area, and living room. After driving all day, cleaning up shattered glass was definitely not on our to-do list. About 45 minutes later, we finally had the mess cleaned up. We did a little shopping, made some dinner, fired up the generator to charge the batteries, and turn on the air conditioning. As the evening went on, the parking lot became quieter and quieter. Then we noticed a black police car slowly driving around the RV. Once, then again, and then a third time. At that point, we were both thinking the same thing. Oh no, are we about to get kicked out? Finally, Dave decided to step outside and see what was going on. The officer looked at him and said, "I'm just being nosy. I had to come check this out. Your setup is awesome." The two of them ended up talking about RVing, travel, and retirement. The officer even told Dave he couldn't wait to retire, sell his house, buy a boat, and head to the Caribbean. Before leaving, he told us the area was safe, wished us a good night, and even said, "Don't be surprised if other police officers stop by to check out the RV setup." So what started out as a stressful evening turned into one of our favorite Walmart boondocking memories. Have you ever had an unexpected encounter while RVing? Leave us a comment and tell us your story.
Thanks for rolling with Watts on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing ya. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something and have a beer.